If you have been sourcing an import product from China, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to find direct factory and manufacturer in China, the ultimate guide. So let's move. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pino, or Education, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China to any part of the world without any stress. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to find direct factory and manufacturers in China, the complete and ultimate guide. I'm going to show you at least 4 apps that you can use to get that easy and straight up. So one of the first app I'm going to use right here is 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to simply click on the app right here. So let me give you a brief overview about this particular shopping app. Now, for you to download this particular app, this 1688 shopping app, you cannot get it on Google Play Store. If you are using Android phone, you cannot get it on Google Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you can simply go to your app store and type in 1688, then you will get the app, then you can download it on your phone. But if you are using Android phone, so let me quickly alternatively show you how you can get the app. What you need to do is to simply go to your Chrome browser. Then I'll get it to your Chrome browser, make use of the search result and simply type in 1688.com. Then it's going to load up. So from the official web page, you can simply download the app, just like what you see right here. What you need to do, if you have not yet downloaded, simply click on download 1688. So this is alternative way to download 1688 for every Android user. So since I have the app on my phone already, I'm going to access from the web, then I'll go back to the app page. Simple as that. And for you to translate on the app, there are so many apps that you can use to translate. What you need to do is to download and install them on your Android phone or apps or iPhone. If you are using Android phone, you can use iDictionary for the translate. You can use Translator for the translate, or better still, you can simply make use of Google Image Refast for translation. And for you to translate with Google Image Refast, what you need to do is to simply make a screenshot of the particular page you want to translate, just like so. Having made a screenshot, the next thing you need to do is to simply exit from there, then go to your Google, then make a new tab. Having made a new tab, next thing you want to do is to click on this particular lens right here. Then select the screenshot. Then make sure you choose translate, just like so. The whole page is going to translate to English language. This is because my default here is English language. You can also switch from English to another language. Simply click on English and choose whatever language you want to speak. So I want to choose German. So instantly, everything will be automatically translated to German language. So basically, this is how to translate and how you can get the app installed, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. So let's quickly go back to this app right here and see how we can get direct factory and manufacturers. When you get to the site, for you to get direct factory and manufacturers, what you need to do is to simply click on the top right here. So if you click on it, it takes you to this particular page. Now, right here, there are so many manufacturers right here of different products in different categories. The more you scroll down here, the more product is going to load up. And what signifies super factory and manufacturer is this particular icon right here. So any one of them, you see this icon, they have direct manufacturer. You can have a deal with them and get a product at wholesale and very cheap price. So the more you scroll down, the more you see all these super manufacturer in 1688. Alternatively, you can simply click on here. All the super manufacturer, you are going to connect with them from China and the likes. It's as simple as that. So let's take a look at the second app I have for you as far as how to find direct factory and manufacturers in China, the ultimate guide. So I'm going to exit from here. The second app I want to show you right here is Alibaba.com. So I'm going to simply click on here. Just like so, Alibaba.com. Alibaba.com is another interesting app that allows you to find direct factory and manufacturers in China to ship whatever product of your choice. One great thing about Alibaba is the fact that Alibaba was written and made with English language, which is usually friendly to most foreigners. That is, if you are not Chinese, you don't understand translation, or you don't want to go through the stress of translating of the page from one language to another language, Alibaba is a great deal for you. But one thing about Alibaba here is that you are still going to meet a middleman. Okay, so for you to connect with the direct manufacturer on Alibaba, what you need to do is to simply click on here where you see manufacturers. Simply click on that, then it takes you to all available manufacturers on the site. Then one more thing you can do here is that you can also source for manufacturer by region. This simply means that on Alibaba, not all the manufacturers here on Alibaba are Chinese. There are so many countries in Alibaba that sell products of the same quality that you are looking for. So for you to source for different manufacturer by regional or country, what you need to do is to simply click on regional suppliers. So click on regional suppliers, it takes you right here. Then you can simply click on here. This allows you to choose the right country you are looking for manufacturer for. So you can see right here, there are so many countries right here: Vietnam, India, United States, Germany, Japan, etc. If you are looking for manufacturer on from China, Hong Kong, simply click on it, and all the manufacturer available in Hong Kong, China, they are going to be displayed right here. One more thing you can do here when you are sourcing for manufacturer in China using Alibaba is that you can also source for manufacturer that have consumer protection, that is a verified manufacturer. So anyone you see with this verified symbol right here, they can be trusted. You can also have a deal with them. The more you scroll down, the more you see manufacturer. So if you want to deal with any one of them, simply click on their link and it load up to a new page. This is where you will see details about this particular store. Right here, you have the store name right here, and you have their years of trading on Alibaba.com. You can simply scroll down and see, click on here to check on their verified capabilities, and then you can scroll down and see more details about the store. You can also scroll down and see more rating about the previous buyer, what they have to say about the store before you go ahead and hire or purchase from the manufacturer. So this is the second one I have for you here. Let's take a look at the third apps I have for you that you can use to source for manufacturer from China and ship out of the China to whatever part of the world. So let's go. So the third one I want to show you right here is also known as Pure Chinese Shopping App, which is Pinduoduo shopping app right here. So I'm going to simply click on it, and it's going to load up right here. One thing about this Pinduoduo shopping app is that on Pinduoduo shopping app here, most of the products here are direct from China. Okay, it is not always advisable for foreigners to source direct from here, except you know how best to deal with the manufacturer and how best to deal with when it comes to issue of globalization product, most especially if you are importing gadget. But believe me, from this site here, you can get any product of your choice at a very cheap price. You can also connect with different manufacturers from this particular shopping app. And one thing about this app here is that if you are outside China, you are not a Chinese, or you are outside China, you cannot use this app on the web. You need to get the app on your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. But if you are using Android phone, you can simply go to Google and type in Pinduoduo. Then from there, you can get the app and install it on your phone. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your app store and type in pinduoduo.com, or type in Pinduoduo, and from there, you can simply download and install the app. And another thing about this Pinduoduo app here is that you must have a WeChat account before you can have full access into the app. So this is the third one I have for you. Let's take a look at the very last one I want to show you, as far as how you can find direct factory and manufacturers in China with Ultimate Guide is concerned. So I'm going to exit from here. So the very last one I want to show you is this particular one right here, Made in China, just like so. Now, Made in China, as the name implies, is also B2B e-commerce platform that allow you to connect with different manufacturers of different type of product in China. Now, on getting to the app, you can also access them on the web, which is made-in MadeInChina.com. That is the official URL of the site. Then when you get to the app you are using on the phone, there are so many ways to search for manufacturer on this app. So you can come to all category right here. When you get to the category, so you can simply scroll down, you see all category right here. So bags and box, apparel. So you can swipe and see more category right here. More category of different manufacturers of the product. Let's for instance, if you are looking for electronics and electrical manufacturer, simply click on that. You have so many varieties right here. Okay. Let's for instance, you are looking for LED module. So click on it and it's going to load up just like so. Then you have to exercise a little patience and let it load up. Now, these are all manufacturers right here. You can simply click on suppliers, just like so. When you click on supplier, you see all available supplier of this particular product right here. You can click on company type. This allows you to choose the type of the supplier you are looking for. As far as this tutorial is concerned, we are looking for manufacturer and factory. This one right here, what we need to do is to simply click on here and then we are going to be left with the result of direct manufacturer and factory of this particular product. So you can scroll down and see them one after the other. The more you scroll down, the more different products is going to load up as far as this website and this shopping app is concerned. So basically, this is one of the best way to find direct factories and manufacturers in China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about how to import from China with different sites or apps as far as this channel is concerned. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.